Alright, valve train is all out. Man, that cam was, God, it was a pain in the ass to get out. I don't know what it was. Look at the margins on it. It seemed like some cheap, no-name cam. But I hope I didn't damage the cam bearings. It had a little rust flux, right there at the end. Right there. Pretty good little indentation right there. I don't see if I can turn the light on when I'm recording. I don't know if I can or not. I don't like I can. The rest of them looked alright. If that's the worst, I think I'll be okay. But timing chain was all nice tight. I'll probably just reuse that timing chain. I went to Harbor Freight and got a 3-jaw puller before I pulled the timing cover, because I was going to put that double roller timing chain on there I got, and it's already got one on it. So, but it's all out. Yeah, the lifters come out nice. Whoa, focus. And yeah, let's take a look at this cam. It had some bad spots on it. I kept all the lifters in the top cam box so I keep them all in line with the lobes, but this cam's junk anyway. Had a pretty, like that one right there. You can see. Focus. Come on. Never get a Samsung phone again. Sorry for any Samsung fans. You can probably see right there where it's flat. There's a few lobes like that. It's flat right there on the peak. It's weird. And shitty ass phone. But anyway, there's a few on there. Almost, I don't know what that's from. Maybe floating the valves and lifters coming down smacking it flat. Anyway, junk. Let's look at some of these lifters. I mean, should be a little convexed a little bit. What is up with my phone? God damn. Yeah, they look flat. I need a flat surface. Yeah, let's use like this. Well, there's hardly nothing on this. Like they wore flat. They probably weren't spinning or nothing. So these are all junk. I'm gonna throw the whole thing away. I was saving them, keeping them in the right spot in case somebody just wanted this cam for something. But I do not want to be known for a guy to give somebody. I wouldn't even give this cam away. It's thrown in the trash. Going in the trash. Anyway. Yeah, that's out. My only concern is I hope I didn't damage the cam bearings. Too bad. Pulling that damn cam out. But I think we'll be alright. I hope. Yeah. But we're going in with good quality cam. I was going to run roller, but I think I'm just going to run the cam I got. The little flat tappet hydraulic from Comp. The Extreme Energy 274. 490 lift, 274, 286 split duration. And I've ran that cam in many other vehicles. It's a good sounding cam, and it makes a lot of power from like 2000 on. So, and they recommend a stall. I never ran it with a stall. It'd be better if you did, but once you get up to speed, it works alright. It doesn't try to die or nothing. It's not real sluggish off idle, but it does alright without a stall. But yeah, there it is. Getting ready. It's going to be a few more weeks before I get some money. I just got to make sure to come out here and keep this covered up and spray some WD on the cylinders every now and then. And yeah.